Good morning everyone. Today we are going to talk about magnetic disk and optical disk. Magnetic disk. It is a type of secondary memory which is a flat disk covered with magnetic coating to hold information. It is used to store various programs and files. The polarized information in one direction is represented by 1 and the other direction is indicated by 0. These are less expensive than RAM and can store large amount of data, but the data access rate is slower. Data can be modified or can be deleted easily in the magnetic disk memory. It also allows random access of data. Advantages. These are economical memory. The easy and direct access of data is possible. It can store large amount of data. It has better data transfer rate than magnetic tapes and they are less prone to corruption of data as compared to tapes. Disadvantages. These are very less expensive than RAM but more expensive than magnetic tape memories. It needs clean and dust-free environment to store. These are not suitable for sequential access. Floppy disk. A floppy disk drive is a computer disk drive that enables a user to save data to floppy disk. A floppy disk is a disk storage medium composed of a disk of thin and flexible magnetic storage medium encased in a rectangular plastic carrier. It is read and written using a floppy disk drive. The first real disk drives used were 5 1/4-inch floppy disk drives, which were later replaced with the 3.5-inch floppy disk drives. For both sizes of floppy disk, the amount of data that could be stored was dependent on whether the disk was single or double-sided, and whether the disk was regular or high density. How it stores data. A floppy disk is a magnetic media and stores and reads data on the floppy disk using a read head. The read or write head uses a magnetic polarity of 0 or 1. Reading this as binary data, the computer can understand what the data is on the platter. For the computer to write information to the platter, the read or write head aligns the magnetic polarities, writing zeros and ones that can be read later. A hard disk is an electromechanical data storage device that stores and retrieves digital data using magnetic storage and rotating platters coated with magnetic material. The platters are paired with magnetic heads, usually arranged on a moving actuator arm, which read and write data through the platter surfaces. Data is accessed in random access manner, meaning that individual blocks of data can be stored and retrieved in any order. HDDs are a type of non-volatile storage, retaining stored data even when powered off. How is so much information stored in such a small space? At the heart of every hard drive is a stack of high-speed spinning disks with a recording head flying over each surface. Each disk is coated with film of microscopic magnetized metal grains. Our data doesn't live there in form we can recognize. Instead, it is recorded as magnetic pattern formed by groups of those tiny grains. In each group, also known as a bit, all of the grains have their magnetizations aligned in one of the two possible states which corresponds to zeros and ones. Data is written onto the disk by converting strings of bits into electrical current fed through an electromagnet. This magnet generates a field strong enough to change the direction of metal grains magnetization. Once this information is written onto the disk, the drive uses a magnetic reader to turn it back into useful form. The exponential growth in a computer storage capacity and processing power has followed a pattern known as Moore's law. He predicted that information density would double every 2 years, but at around 100 gigabytes per square inch, shrinking the magnetic grains further or cramming them closer together posed a new risk called superparamagnetic effect. When a magnetic grain volume is too small, its magnetization is easily disturbed by heat energy and cause bits to switch unintentionally, leading to data loss. This has been solved very easily by changing the direction of recording from longitudinal to the perpendicular, allowing areal density to approach 1 terabit per square inch. Optical disc. An optical disc is an electronic data storage medium that can be written to and read from using a low powered laser beam. In optical storage technology, a laser beam encodes digital data onto an optical or laser disc in the form of tiny bits arranged in a spiral track on the disc surface. A low power laser scanner is used to read these bits, with variation in the intensity of reflected lights from the bits being converted into electric signals. Advantages: mass storage capacity, countable or uncountable storage units, high data stability. Disadvantages: easily broken, they require special drive to read and write, and it is expensive. There are different types of optical discs. Under read only, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, CDR and DVD-R. Under recordable optical discs, CD-RW, DVD-RW and Blu-ray. CD-ROM. These discs can hold around 800 MB of data. The data cannot be altered, so cannot be accidentally deleted. CD-ROMs are random access devices. DVD-ROM. These discs can hold up to 4.7 GB of data. DVD-ROMs are also random access devices. These are used to store high quality videos. CDR and DVD-R. R means that the disk is recordable only once. Data can be added to the disk but can't be erased. Data is burned onto the disk, and once it is burned, they turn into ROMs. CD-RW and DVD-RW. The RW stands for rewritable. This means that this can be recorded over and over again. Unlike R types, these don't become ROMs after being burnt. Blu-ray discs work in similar way to DVD-ROMs, but the laser used to read the data is blue rather than the red color. Blu-ray RW disc can be rewritten in the same way as the other RW discs. It has capacities of 25 GB, 50 GB and 100 GB depending on the disc. All modern format of optical discs use the same basic sandwich of material structure. A hard plastic substrate forms the base, and then a reflective layer of metallic foil, typically aluminium for mass-produced discs, is used to encode the digital data. Next, a layer of clear polycarbonate protects the foil and allows the laser beam to pass through the reflective foil layer. How optical disc works? When we magnify an optical disc, it just looks like this. The peaks contain the reflecting layer over them. When light from the laser is pointed over them, the light gets reflected. The reflected light is detected by the light detector and the output is 1. When the light is incident here in the valley, the light is not reflected back, and in this case the output is 0. Now when the laser is pointed on the rotating disc, the chain of binary numbers comes as output. This may be a video, music, document or some other type of file. The capacity of disk depends on the number of peaks and valleys. Due to varying number of peaks and valleys in different types of disks, the wavelength of light and speed of rotation also varies. These are the differences between optical storage devices and magnetic storage devices. Optical stores data as patterned image, magnetic stores data in magnetic form. Optical storage devices offer lesser capacity, whereas magnetic storage devices offer much higher capacity. Optical requires laser light to read and write data onto the disk. Magnetic doesn't require laser heads to read and write data. In optical, slower data read and write, and whereas in magnetic, faster data read and write. Data on the disk will not be damaged by magnetic fields in optical storage devices, whereas in magnetic field can destroy the data stored on magnetic storage devices. Optical storages can be readable, writable and rewritable. Magnetic storage devices are always readable and rewritable. Optical storage devices require additional drives to function. Almost all magnetic storage devices comes with built-in drives. Easy and safe to take around, not as safe as optical storage devices to take around. Thank you.